We can dance if we want to. We can leave your friends behind.
This is an activation of the Amber Alert system at the request of the Garland Police Department. Garland police are looking for a kidnapped Hispanic female, 17-year-old Yahidra Medina, who was last seen wearing a black T-shirt, black sweatpants, and a black backpack. The suspect in the kidnapping of this woman is a Hispanic male, David Maldonado, who is involved in connection with her abduction. Occurred this morning. Call 911 with any information about this case. We now resume normal programming.